Hi, my name is Lisa Palmieri, and I am an interior designer, and that is my part of the project at Couer Academy. We chose U.S. Film Crew to do this installation for us because we had worked with them on a previous project at Couer Church, in which they serviced us with professionalism and expediency, wisdom. They met every need that we had. The purpose of the window film for us was to have some invisibility so that you could not look in and see children, and at the same time for the children to be able to look out and see the sunshine. We also wanted something that was shatter resistant due to some of the things that you hear in the news these days. As an interior designer, I have seen over the years what sun damage can do to furniture, fabrics, carpeting. At the church, we started exploring window blinds, and one thing that did was block out sun damage and view. However, the children would have had the outside obscured to them. So right away we thought of U.S. Film Crew to come and save the day.